Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again, Unique Corner. So today I am going to show you how to make chicken stroganoff. So for the chicken stroganoff, you can see here I take the chicken cut like this, long strip, and then after that I was cut here white onion, small cubes, not very small, medium size, and also I cut it here white mushroom, medium size cubes, and also 2 pieces of garlic, small cubes, and little bit white flour and black pepper, butter, you can see here cooking cream, and also Dijon Mustard, and here Worcestershire sauce, rosemary, and fresh thyme, and I can use here also sour cream, and also little bit chicken stock water. So let's get started. Keep watching my video till end so you can understand how to make chicken stroganoff. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. First of all, I am adding the olive oil to this fry pan, and this bowl I add all the chicken and add little bit black pepper and just a sprinkle of salt, and then mix all together. And after that, now I am going to add this chicken to the fry pan. So now I am going to change this. See this? So chicken is 50% is cooked now. So now I am remove the chicken to the bowl. And same pan we going to add here little bit butter and onion cubes, when the onion is become soft, we going to add here the chopped garlics, and after that I am going to add here white mushroom, and when the mushroom becomes soft, we are going to add here thyme leaves and mix all together. After the finish the ready the cook, we need to remove the thyme. So see, it's already broken the leaf. No need to broke and put, it's already broke when you are cooking. And now I am add this 1 tablespoon white flour, mix all together. After that I am adding here chicken stock water, and this stage we add here just half only chicken Maggi cube, black pepper half teaspoon, Dijon Mustard, half teaspoon. Just sprinkle on the rosemary. Worcestershire sauce, around 1 teaspoon. Now I am going to adding here sour cream, around 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add here cooking cream, 2 tablespoons. So finally now I'm going to add this chicken again to this sauce. And cook around 10 to 12 minutes to gather sauce, and after that is complete ready. Let me show you after 10 minutes how it look like that. Finally you can see chicken stroganoff, it's ready now. So if you like this recipe, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so next time if I upload my video, so you can see the notification and come to my channel and watch. So take care, have a nice day. I hope you will be try to this recipe on your home. So see you soon next time. Take care. Have a nice day.